The next letter we're going to look at in our capital letter series is the letter J, and this letter once again is quite similar to the letter I. Using our copperplate pen so you can see what I'm doing, we go across, up, down more heavily, like so. Now if this would be our line, the letter I sits in the line. The letter J, there are two ways of doing it. One is like this, and the other is much larger, like that. So it's up to you how you do your J. There is another J that exists, but this J can be confused with a capital T in some scripts. So this is not generally used as a J. This is generally used as a T, and the J is almost invariably this version of the long I. It's very simple: across, light up, dark down, light up. And again, across, light up, dark down, and light up. Let's do this with a word attached to it. For example, J I L L, comma. Right, when you're making a comma, we do a little circle and then a down, like that. If you're writing fast, of course, the comma will just be a little dash, like so. And if you're writing this word fast, it would be like that. It is possible to write this handwriting extremely quickly. Obviously, when you write fast, it isn't as neat and tidy. Right? Right? Ends up becoming like a doctor's scrawl. But it is possible to write quite fast and legibly, like so. Etc. So you can write reasonably quickly using this script, and that's the whole idea, of course, is that it's the running script, so your pen doesn't leave the page and you can get those words out very, very fast. This was probably the fastest way of writing before shorthand and before, of course, modern methods like typewriters came along. It's still great use if you're in the exam room and you have to write fast. So J, up, sharp point on the top, down. This is important, it has a sharp point, although there are some people who do the J like that. Personally, I don't like it. There we have it, the letter J.